Best dash cam for vlogging. Number 1. VanTrue N2 Pro dash cam for vlogging. Best dual dash cam for Uber, rideshare, Lyft drivers, picked by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR etc. The front and inside camera simultaneously capture the road front, 170 degrees, and inside passenger cabin, 140 degrees, in crystal details at dual 1920 by 1080p 30 fps, which is a great option for rideshare drivers that will need photographic evidence in the event some rowdy passengers do damage to their car. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. Variable sensitivity G-sensor auto-detects sudden shake/collision and emergency locks the footage to event file to prevent that video from an overwrite. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Red Tiger Dash Cam for vlogging. The Red Tiger F7N Samart Dash Cam offers top quality 4K 3840x2160p on front camera and 1920x1080p on rear camera that captures super clear view. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Wide-angle dual cameras capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions etc. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. With the UCam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. What's more, video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed and other information, which will become your important evidence. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Strail Dash Cam for vlogging. Strail 4K dash cam front and rear can simultaneously record videos at front 4K and rear 1080p, clearly capture license plates, road signs and vehicles around the car, which provide sufficient evidence if needed. When the engine is turned on, the dash camera will automatically record and your car will always be protected. The 4K Wi-Fi car camera front and rear featured with built-in Wi-Fi, easy to connect the dashboard camera with your phone Android and ISO via dedicated app. You can instantly view real-time videos and manage dual dash cam recordings, download it directly to your phone and easily share with friends on social media. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Kingsland Dash Cam for vlogging. Kingsland D4 4K dual dash camera can simultaneously record videos in front 4K 2160p at 25 fps and rear 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. You can switch to front view in QHD 2.5K, 2560 by 1440 at 30 fps, and rear view in Full HD 1080p, 1920 by 1080 at 25 fps. For daily video recording, capture QHD details to help restore the truth. Easy to connect D4 with phone app via built-in Wi-Fi. You can playback and download videos and adjust the settings directly via phone app. Work with Android and iOS devices. Easy operation on settings/functions at your fingertips without fiddly buttons. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Blackvue Dash Cam for vlogging. The front camera's ultra-wide 162-degree angle takes full advantage of the 4K UHD resolution. The rear camera records in Full HD at a 139-degree angle with outstanding low light sensitivity. Native parking mode with built-in voltage monitor to protect your vehicle battery, hardwiring cable included. With the free Blackvue cloud service, check on your car from anywhere, anytime. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.